Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Litecoin, followed by Monero, DOT, BGB, Uni, Pi, Pepe, and then we end it with AAVE at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Litecoin against USD. Okay, so Litecoin is in, believe it or not, this is a very, very big accumulation. There will come a time when Litecoin may potentially see a rally back towards the upside. On Binance and some of the other exchange, right? Let's say we use Kraken, right? It's a higher high. But if you were to go to Coinbase, it's a lower high. So it's a squeeze on Coinbase. But in any case, we'll just assume that this whole thing is an accumulation. And it's only a matter of time, in our opinion, that potentially a breakout would happen. However, Litecoin at the moment, if you look at it against BTC, it's in a downwards trend. So your money is better. Will make much more money for you being in BTC rather than being in Litecoin. Monero against USD. Here we are for Monero. Monero is bro. SMR USDT. Okay, so Monero has already hit 3 targets. We had a target over here, right? There's an accumulation. Target 1, target 2, target 3. Very quick low. So the next question we have for Monero is, are we gonna get a cup and handle as we break out, maybe higher, or are we gonna come back down to accumulate to break higher? We're not too sure. No clear signs of a bullish continuation. We have to take out this high first. We actually have a target towards the upside, about $900. We have to take out this high first before we consider the $900 target. To be precise, it's about 870. Polkadot, if you look at DOT against BTC, it is still in a downwards trend. It's all down, 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 down. If you look at it on the daily, we're still under the skinny pink line. Ever since May 2021, it's just a down. DOT against USD, it's also forming lower lows, right? Lower highs, lower lows. Oh my god. Yeah, it's not too good. There's a little bit of a noise over here. Right under sub $3, 289, maybe 289, 288, 289, sub $3, sub 290. I think we might drop a little bit lower, and after that we might see a very, very strong pushback up for Polkadot, right? And then Polkadot obviously could be going back to its all-time high, but we are still seeing weakness at the moment. I wouldn't be surprised if we take out these lows as well. So we need to see a low being established first before we do anything for Polkadot. BGB against USD. BitGet is still above the skinny pink line, still in a bullish trend technically. So we will anticipate the possibility of a bullish continuation for BitGet. BitGet is still above the skinny pink line, but this whole thing could become a head and shoulders and could be the start of a move back down. But I suspect that the BitGet wheels will be pushing the price higher, and we will get some sort of a consolidation as we head towards potentially closer to $10. Uniswap against USD is still a downer. We're still under the skinny pink line. No clear signs of a proper bullish reversal chart pattern. So yeah, we're gonna have to move on from Uniswap until we see strength, right? Pi against USD is also a bit questionable. This whole thing looks like a potential descending triangle in the making, right? Are we heading back towards 10 cents? We're not too sure, right? Pi is relatively new, and the market cap is already at 4.5 B. So to me, this is highly overvalued. Highly, 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 highly overvalued. So I will be watching out for a potential to enter a short for Pi. I think we're going to get a descending, and then Pi is probably going to hit much lower. I mean, of course, if Pi take out this high, and then we start forming, consolidations, you could feel it if and when Pi wants to go higher. But as it stands right now, I think Pi, more likely than not, is going to hit lower. PEPE against USD. Here we are for PEPE. PEPE is already back under the skinny pink line. So what's the story, Morning Glory? Are we going to come back down? Maybe get a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, head and shoulders, continuation back down? Or are we going to break back up above the skinny pink line? Right. And after that, we break higher. But yeah, PEPE is just untradeable at this moment. AAVE against USD. Here we are for AAVE. AAVE is right at the skinny pink line. Are we gonna get mountain ranges here? heading lower, or yeah, again, AAVE's chart pattern is just not really that good. Even if we were to fall for a wave C, I think this would be fantastic. This would be a very nice setup for AAVE as it potentially breaks towards 4 digits, which is 1000, right? So as it stands, yeah, this is something that I would love to see happen for AAVE, right, before the break. So yeah, but me, of course, if AAVE continues higher, we take out this high, then yeah, we will look for a potential entry or a trade for AAVE. But chart pattern wise, it's just not really that good. I would assume that this was the accumulation that came, right? We broke out, and yeah, from this point on, yeah, the chart pattern just isn't really that good. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.